Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so very much for joining me today. I have a fun-filled pound haul opening, unboxing for you guys today. First thing I got, this amazing bag. Love this bag. This haul is probably going to be split into two videos. I did a huge haul today. There's way too much to show you guys in one video. So this is going to be my Poundland Always Fabulous haul part 1. And we're just going to go straight into this video and show you guys what I got. Let's move our bag across. Guys, you know that I make a lot of gift baskets. So these are always a staple. Every time I get the opportunity to go to Poundland, I always pick these up. These are the large patterned basket. I love the detail. They come in white, they come in grey, and they come in black. I usually go for the black or the white because that just seems to be what's popular, and they're only £1 each, and I think they are great. But if you guys want these for storage, if you have a little unit, these are also great for storage. But for gift bags, they're definitely perfect. I picked up a couple of, let me just pull these things out of the bag. It's really difficult to try and stretch across the bag and pull things out. So I'm just going to pull a few things out from the bag and show you guys. The next thing I got was this fun-filled shark. My nephew loves sharks and he loves these little squishies. They're full of orbs and it's only £1, so that is fun. It's super squishy and super relaxing. Super noisy through the bag though. But I don't want to open the bag because it is completely sealed and it is for a gift. So this is our shark and it's only £1. We'll pop that in our basket. And the next little items that I picked up come in two parts. Sorry guys, I'm going to pop them right here so I can show you guys. And I picked up two. So you can get this Cyber Combat Alien Defense Force little attack dart blaster. This pack comes with the gun and the little foam darts. These darts are super soft, so there's no issue with anybody getting hurt. And they shoot up to 16 feet, which is 5 meters. This little item was £1. And then you can also buy the dart refill pack. You get 20 in a pack and they're also £1. Guys, be mindful, these are 8 years plus. So if you've got anybody else younger using them, please supervise. And I picked up 2 sets of these. And these are always handy to have around the house for when my nephews come visit, even though strictly speaking, we're not allowed to do that at the moment, and that's fine. But I do like to keep things around the house just in case they, when we are allowed, they can pop in again. So that's some more fun items. Yes, we have 2 of these. So these little cars I thought were absolutely, they just looked really, really funky and on point. They're called Midnight Metal Night Racers. They are a pull and go night racer. They're £1 each, which I thought was an awesome price. And we have this one, this Nitro in an orange stripe. And we have the Ninjaga car in the green. I love this ninja on the front. I think that's really, really cute. So I picked up both of those, and I think that was a really good price point for those items. The next thing that I purchased were 2. I seem to buy things in 2s, I don't know why. But there are these Robot 360 Defender of the Zone Road Warriors. They're almost kind of like Transformers, just on the cheaper end. And they're £1 each. We've got one in black and one in blue. I have bought these for my nephews before and they really, really like them. So I just thought, why not pick up a couple and just have them kind of here, just to kind of have them on hand. Let's see what else we've got. This bag was jam-packed. So let me show you what else we got in our haul. We got 2, that is the wrong way around. We've got 2 of these Block X response build. They're almost like Lego blocks, but they're not Lego. The kids love playing with these and they love doing creative activities. So these are always great to have on hand. So this one is 6+, and this is the fire dispatch. It's got 58 bricks, and this is the little firefight little car that you can build, and then we also have the little construction one as well. This has got 56 bricks. It is for 6+, and it helps to build and develop. So these are always fun to have around, and you know, I'm not adverse to doing a bit of Lego. Again, I bought 2 of these. I have a really young nephew, and he's just under a year, and he loves kind of doodling. So I thought I would pick up one of these, maybe have a spare one to put into the charity sets. But these little drawing boards are great. They're play and discover, and they develop little minds. So I love doing little creative activities. It does say they're creative. They stimulate the imagination. They hone your fine motor skills, and they're academic. So these are just a fun little thing to pick up, just to have on hand. This is turning into a bit of a toy haul. There is more than toys here, guys, I promise. Again, I picked up 2 of these. I'll pop this one right here so you guys can see it. Let's pull you back. We've got this City Air Rapid Response Team. It has 4 helicopters. There are 4 helicopters in this series to collect. It doesn't actually show you, but it says it travels along the floor. It has a real working rotors. It's a pull back and go motion, which I think is fun. These were only £1, so we're super, super happy about those. Sorry guys, something wonky was going on with my camera, so I do apologize. But anyway, these are fun, fab, and they really are a lot of fun. Okay, let's just move my coffee so I don't spill it. Okay. Guys, if you have kids at home, these are pretty awesome. These are the little Scribblers mini colouring books. You're getting 8-pack, an 8-pack for £1. Inside this, you get colouring books, you get activity kit books, you get dot-to-dots and more colouring books. And to go along with these, I also purchased the Full of Colour 12-piece mini colouring pencils. These are £1 a pack. I don't know if I mentioned that. These little colouring pencils are also £1 a pack. You get 4 sets for £1, which I think is pretty awesome. I love having things like this around the house. I do colour these little books in, and I do find because they're very simple, I don't have to put a lot of time and energy and concentration into colouring it in. I can just fiddle around, and it does actually keep my mind quite active. So I was totally happy with those. We're running out of space. Okay guys, I'm just going to pull this bag off to the side just to grab out the remainder of our little items, which I think, we have just a couple left. Let's pop our bag right back. I love these lemon scented pedal bin liners. You're getting 50 liners that hold 15 litres each, and they're just handy to have around, and they smell so good. I mean, the minute I open these and put these in the bins in my rooms, honestly, the smell is delightful, and they're only £1. We ran out of these Dishmatic refills. Normally they're green. I saw there was only 1 set of pink left. I picked it up because I thought it was cute, but I love this for my little dish cleaner. I love the scarring bit at the bottom, and I love the fact that I'm not wasting a whole lot of washing up liquid, because it goes into the container that these fit on. So that's just my little refill pack. Who doesn't love a Dairy Milk bar of chocolate? So I picked this up. This is just a little treat for me. Love this chocolate, and it's only £1. So that's just a little snack for me. Guys, what else did we buy? I bought breath freshener. I find that when you wear a mask, I don't really like to use chewing gum all the time. I find when we're wearing masks that your breath can get a little bit stale. So I like to have a bit of breath spray around with me. This is from Dental Care. It is breath spray. It is in peppermint flavour. It is sugar free. It's only £1. It's great to have around just to pop into my handbag, so I'm totally happy with that. I needed a new blusher brush, so I picked this up at £1. I'm just going to pop this open. Generally, I tend to use a bronzer as a blush, or as a contour, but recently a friend of mine bought me a beautiful blush, very autumn colored brush, blush palette. So I wanted to start trying to use that. So I bought myself this super soft, look how pretty this is. This is in rose gold. Love the black handle. And I mean, it's not the most amazing quality in the world, but it will do the job that I want it to do. So that little blush was only £1. Guys, if you've not used this Land of Nod pillow spray, relaxing and calming lavender with essential oils to aid a good night's sleep, I can definitely recommend it. I have been finding that during the lockdown and during this pandemic that I've been struggling to get a proper night's sleep. Just a lot of things are stressful. You know, we're all kind of stuck at home, and we're not really allowed to go anywhere. And I just find sometimes that gets a little bit on top of me. And when I'm in bed at night, I find that my mind kind of overplays things. So this is really good to spray onto your pillow. I also put a tiny bit on my pulse points. And it helps me just relax and calm down. This was only £1. These bottles, you can't buy them anywhere else for that price. You're getting 120 milliliters of product as well. I did buy a bottle of lavender pillow spray before. It cost me £6 and it was a quarter of the size of this bottle. So I'm super stoked that I was able to get this. I have one currently that I'm using, but it's almost half done. So I wanted to buy another one just to have as a spare. Guys, this is my haul. I'm super happy with everything that I got in this haul. I like having toys around the house. I like having things for the kids to play with. I like to be prepped for birthdays and make packs for charity and stuff. So I really always like to have things around the house. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and want to join us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And you've also got the notification bell to let you guys know when I upload any new videos. Take care, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay safe. Look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care. Bye.